5 Best Car Vacuums. Number 5. Black & Decker CHV1410L. Lithium-ion for long battery life. Outstanding performance. Long life, lightweight. No memory effect. Flip-up upholstery brush. 2-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Metropolitan Vac NBLO. 4.0 peak horsepower. All steel construction. Vacuum or blower capabilities. Includes V&B 73 vacuum. Includes 2 20-inch extension wands. Ships with reusable dust cloth filter bag. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Black & Decker BDH 2020 FLFH Max. Strong suction and fade-free power. Pet hair brush easily removes stubborn pet hair. Easy to empty, washable bowl. Filter for thorough cleaning. 3-stage filtration system prevents dust, debris from escaping. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Armor All AA255. Picks up wet and dry debris. 2.5 gallon storage tank. Includes 6-foot hose. "10-foot cord. Cannot plug into the car. Easily converts to a blower. Item weight, 7 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Dyson V6 Car and Boat. Arranged across 2 tiers. Mini motorized tool for tough tasks. The mini motorized tool picks up pet hair. Stubborn debris from upholstery. Dyson engineered tools for cars. Up to 20 minutes of powerful suction. Please check the description for detail and price.